Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean Labor Attorney. Today I'd like to talk about collective negotiation and collective bargaining. What is the common same thing in these two different terms? Also, what is the difference? That is what I want to talk today. So, collective bargaining, it is related to the labor union. Through collective bargaining, it is designed to improve their working condition. So collective bargaining is very required to directly get to some conclusion. So labor union cannot achieve some collective agreement through collective bargaining, then they can take strike. So in this process, collective bargaining is very important. So they request for collective bargaining to the employer. Then if employer reject this demand request, then it is called unfair labor practice. Then employee will be punished for this not respecting the workers' legal right, like a certain right of labor. So this is what labor union show what is collective bargaining. But here, collective negotiation is related to the Labor Management Council. It is required by the Act regarding the workers' participation and cooperation. So in this process, all companies that hire 30 workers or more should prepare Labor Management Council, and they must have a quarterly hearing, quarterly meeting between the management and labor union. So if there are no labor union that represent the majority of workers, then the workers should choose their representative for this labor management council negotiation. So usually the labor union represent majority of workers will become the bargaining partner or negotiation partner or employee representative for this labor management council. So the company must have a quarterly meeting with the workers representative or the labor union. So in this process, this labor management council is designed for cooperative relations. So even though there are no conclusion, labor union cannot take strike. Only they can request, and both parties agreed. Then this agreement should be followed, should be implemented. It's the same as collective bargaining. But how to get to the agreement is very completely different. So the biggest difference is collective bargaining, it can be done like for wage once a year, but working condition just one time within 30 years. So during the effective period of that collective agreement, labor union cannot take a strike, so they must keep the duty for peace during the effective period. But collective negotiation, it must be conducted once every quarter. So it is a very different system. Okay, this is what is the same in the two different terms, and also what is the biggest difference in collective bargaining and collective negotiation. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.